Craig, 832-221-4007. This is Carburetors and More, www.carburetorsamore.com. Boy, this 750 vacuum secondary, you wouldn't even know it now. Let me see it. Okay, it's out of gear. The dyno ain't hooked up, so we can wrap her to the floor and let her go. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. That's the rev limiter on right there, boy. Took her up to 5,500 real quick. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's give her a tug on the old dyno. Put on there 20,000 pounds on it. See if it'll pull it. Well, I don't want to be a... Should I tell them what the other carburetor was before this one was on?
You can watch the video.
Okay. No, I'm talking about the carburetor that was on the dyno before this one.
Yeah, this one looks like internet can see it on the video.
How's he going to see it?
Follow me.
Oh, anyway, that carburetor that was on there just before that, I almost turned the motor over. Okay, anyway, Craig, we got her going for you. You got your Ford kick down. You got your electric choke. Was the choke okay?
Yes.
Choke works okay, so that's going to be a minimum charge on this one. Okay, one more test. Power valve's working perfect. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if it's going to go back to the original setting. 3, 2, shit.